How you guys doing? Just doing a quick video for you guys about the hatch bumpers, or Toyota calls them cushions. They're really difficult to take off if it's your first time, I guess, like it was for me. As you can see in the holes, they have blue Loctite from the factory. And to take them off, the old ones, you want to use a box cutter, some type of knife. Or mine easily came off, they kind of fell apart on me. That's kind of why I'm replacing them. Here's the part number for both sides. And to get it off, you want to heat up the screws. And I bought this cheap Harbor Freight soldering gun for about 30 bucks. I cut a slit in the screw of a Dremel. And you basically touch it on the end here for about 3 minutes per screw. And it should warm up the blue Loctite enough for the screw to come out easily. Alright, and here's the final result. In the screws I recommend you get are the 10 32nd by a 1/2 inch socket cap screws. I got this idea from Jason Supras on YouTube. That's what he replaced them with, and uses a Allen head instead. It's pretty easy to screw back on. You don't have to go at a crazy angle. Alright, subscribe for more.